Welcome to my channel Satvika Healthy Eats. For veggie burger, I'm doing the patty as well. So for the patty, what I'm taking is zucchini, half of zucchini. This sprouts, mung sprouts. It's optional. If you have, you can use it. And corn. This is a frozen corn. You can use that. And beans. Canned beans you can use it, or you can boil it. It's up to you, because morning I don't have time, so I usually use canned beans. And then carrot, two big carrot, and raw banana, one raw banana. Jalapenos, this is also optional. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. And jalapenos and onions, which that also I shredded it. So these all I will use for the patties. I'll mix it nicely. For mixing, so I'll mix chickpea flour. So half cup of chickpea flour, sieve it nicely once or so, and then half cup of cornmeal. Like, it's optional. If you want to skip this, you can skip it, but then it gives nice crunch, so I usually use. So cornmeal, it's like it's coarse like suji, see, so you can use that. And oats, half cup of oats. So we'll mix it everything nicely and adjust the consistency. If at all you need more, you can add chickpea flour or your oats. So your salt as per taste, and then if you want, you can add cumin powder, half teaspoon or full teaspoon, coriander powder, Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon or so. So I'll mix it nicely. No water, no adding of water, and then I'll show you how is the consistency. So this is the consistency we are looking for after mixing. Like, you can adjust the quantity of cornmeal or chickpea flour or oats. So see, like this it will be like it's easy to make the patties, like it's not falling apart. So this is the consistency we are looking for. Then, so my skillet is ready, so we'll pour little olive oil. Like, I'm using olive, you can use whichever you want to use. So that's good. So you just make the patties like this, whichever size you look is good for you. So this is okay for me. So on medium flame. So we just press it and make it little flat. So this is good. So on medium flame we'll cook for around 5 minutes and we'll flip it. I'll show you how it looks. So this is how it looks, like with less oil, very healthy. So it comes out, it doesn't stick to the pan, it comes out very easily. So maybe after 5 minutes or so we will flip it. So this is good. So just 5 minutes and it will be done. So with that quantity we can make around 10 patties. So nice. Zucchini is there, carrots are there, beans are there. So I think it's good. Like, kids will also like it, and it's crunchy as well. So once it's done, I will show you how it looks. So we'll just wait on it's on medium flame. So we'll just wait for another 5 minutes and it will be done. So after 5 minutes I flipped it, and for the burger I just roast it little bit, not that brown, just little brown, and then I'll show you how I do it. So this is done. You can So see, this is done. So we can use it in our burger. I'll show you how I do it. So we'll take the burger, and you can take any dressing, like I am taking this poppy seeds dressing. It's good. So I'll take that on the bottom. So you can take any other dressing, whichever you like. Actually Satvika likes it, so I said okay, I'll go for this. Then we'll take our patty. So if you want, you can add butter or cheese. We'll take few carrots, and tomatoes, few cucumber, and lettuce or cabbage, whichever. So this is how I do my veggie burger. Nice and tasty and healthy too. You have your black beans, sprouts, zucchini, carrot, so raw banana, so everything is there. So I think it's good, and even kids will also enjoy. It's good and healthy. So please do subscribe my channel Satvika Healthy Eats, and please do comment as well. Thank you.